Gen Z's first day at work, Factory Edition. So what's our mission today, guys? No idea, I don't know. Leave it to fate. Let's pick one. We chose the electronic connector.
Go go go！ 出发喽！
Let's check out what everyone's up to. What are the production process steps for our products? When the operator receives materials, they need to confirm that the information matches the object, and then is our machine's needle pressing process. During production, each process of the product undergoes strict inspection to ensure quality. Starting from the basic stage, the product must pass both CCD inspection and manual inspection, and only those that pass can proceed to the next process. The final step, packaging. This is part of the production process of the series. Which series do you want to see in the next issue? Leave a message in the comment area.